Here's a pair of the TOZO T10 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put this in the pairing mode. Let's go ahead and take the earbuds out. As soon as you take them out, wait a few seconds. And if one of the earbuds is blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, then that would indicate that it is in pairing mode. Just one of them have to blink blue, red, okay? But I'm not getting no lights on here, okay? The reason why I'm not getting no lights on here is because I'm actually connected to a different device. So in order for me to put these in pairing mode, I can either disconnect from the Bluetooth I'm currently connected to, or I can reset these and automatically go into pairing mode. But let me just go ahead and turn off Bluetooth on the phone that I'm connected to. It's a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus here. I'll go to Settings, and then you want to go to Bluetooth, Connections, Bluetooth, and yeah, you can see the TOZO T10s are connected here. So I can either like disconnect or remove it from the pairing list, or I can just turn off Bluetooth here. If I do any of those three, it'll automatically go into pairing mode. If I factory reset these right now, they'll automatically go into pairing mode as well. So I'll just go ahead and turn it off. So as soon as I turn off Bluetooth, now look at the earbuds. Wait. Now one of them is blinking blue, red, so it is in pairing mode now. Let's hurry up and jump over to our Samsung TV, and we want to go to the settings. So you can just click on the home button, and then you want to go to your settings, kind of move over. And then we're going to go down to settings right there, and then we're going to move over to all settings right there, and then we're going to OK on the remotes. From here, we're going to go down one to sound. Go ahead and select on that. And now we want to select sound output. Currently, the sound will come out of the TV speaker, but we want it to come out of these. So let's select sound output. Now we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list, select that. And let me make sure, yep, they're still in the pairing mode. It's still blinking blue, red. So let's go ahead and see. So it's scanning for device that's in pairing mode near me, okay? I already have headphones and earbuds on here that's already been paired, but we need to pair these, the new ones. Where they at? They're not T12, T10s. Oh, there we go. TOZO T10, and it says needs pairing for that one. So let's go ahead and select it. Pair and connect. TOZO T10 is now connected, and you can see it right there. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting, or can't get into pairing mode or whatnot, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for the link below in the description area.